This is Code.org, and this program is supposed to make the painter move forward one space, but it has an error. It does? Well, I can't click run yet. Interesting. Which of the following do you think is causing the error? So guys, keep in mind, when you select one of these, it will let you hit run, but your answer is submitted to your teacher. So if I'm your teacher, it's submitted to me. If not, it's submitted to whoever that is. You want to think about these carefully, and do make sure you understand them. If you just click something, it's going to be rough later. All right. Which are the following do you think is causing an error? So I'll trust it that it is. Let's see what they have here. Well, let's first read the code, actually. All right. So import, that looks standard. On line 3, public class my neighborhood. Cool. And then on line 4, public static. That all looks kind of standard. And we can always click on bubble 2 here and take a look at it just to kind of confirm and see if we notice anything obviously different. Ooh, I noticed something suspicious that we actually just saw in the last section. So I'm going to open this guy up. So let's take a look at all of our commands and remember what we fixed in this. In this, we added line 16. In bubble 2, we added line 16. Take a look at mypainter.move or any of the other mypainter commands or almost any line. Go back to this. Look at line 6 in this. What does it end in? Look at mypainter.move. And we have seen throughout this, we need semicolons. It's what we just did in bubble 2. So let's see. A, the semicolon is missing from line 8. That sounds good, but I'm going to keep looking here. B, the main method should not have the word static. I can go check this. That's not it. C, the name of the class is incorrect. Nope, that's fine, right? My neighborhood. Just like our other files, it matches the file name. The name of the file should be .java capitalized. Nope, that's not how we did it over here, right? So, gots to be A. Bada! Boom, semicolon. And guys, make sure you understand this. Take a second look. If it's not making sense, go back to bubble 2. We got to get this down. But I think we have it. So, onward.